Okay, so this is how to do the calligraphy overlay handwriting that you saw in the intro. You're going to need Affinity Photo and LumaTouch, or lumafusion, depending on what you want to call it. So start, open up Affinity, add a new document, click the layers, add new pixel layer, then over to the left, gradient tool, then the type at the bottom, select solid, over to the color wheel on the right, choose green, select another pixel layer, and now click text, make it 64, select the font that you're after, and type out what you want it to say. Okay, if you just want it black, you can skip the next step, but if you want a different colour, add a new pixel layer, drag it on top of that one so it pops underneath it, and now click the brush tool on the left, select from the colour wheel, make sure opacity, flow and hardness are all 100%, and you can change the colour, but I want mine white. So what you want to do now is you want to select the top layer, click the layer box away, start a screen recording, the erase tool, and start recording yourself deleting it backwards. And then stop the recording, go over to LumaTouch, start a new project, make sure it's on 30 frames per second because that's what the iPad records at. Find the screen recording, the section that you want, bring that in, double tap on it, hit the speed, then click reverse, let that process. Change the speed to whatever you want it to be for the video. Take it to the very end of the video, where it's only green on the screen. Click export snapshot, and then export movie, photos, video quality, extreme. Alright, then find the project that you want to use it on. Find the video that you've just exported. Drag it on top. Find the snapshot. Drag that at the end. Double tap on the video. Click colour and effect at the bottom. The key near the top, green screen key. Bring the saturation down and do the same on the snapshot. And you're done. Easy. Right, see you in the next one. Bye.